create a new workshop within a project, we're going to go up here to Project Manager, go to Projects, and then we're going to select a project that we want to add a workshop to. We're going to scroll down to where it says Workshops, and then over here in the right hand corner you're going to click on this plus button. And then we're going to fill in the appropriate information. The owner should not be your name, but the name of the region. Status is planning. Your project is already filled in. You want to select an event. You can look up more records that'll be able to allow you to look up the event that you want. I'm just going to pick a random one. And that's all the information that you're required to put in. But you need to put in as much information as possible in order to know what is going on within this project. Say save and close. As you can see down here, right here, the workshop has appeared, and that's how you create a workshop within the project.